have the first. Why you prefer education? Okay, congratulations, Miss Lai. Welcome. Next is. What's your last name, Miss? Okay, Miss Patio. So, Patio. Oh, sorry. Patio. Oh, yeah. So, what do you like to choose? What major? What specialization? General education. So, oh, you almost passed this entrance exam result. Your passing grade is 75.9. Oh, your grade is almost 90, which is good, very good. And your NTI is here. Oh, sorry. Is this patnubay sa mugula? Okay, so it's the same with the one student. You are more on there than social. So it is best suited as a teacher educator. So once again, congratulations. Welcome, college of technician of Omla. That is student. That name is. Again. Good job. Let me see. Oh my gosh. A B C D E F G. Let me see. So, what course? What specialization? General education. Oh yes. Okay, Miss Good, you got a grade of passing grade of 198.99%.